In this video from DelftStack, I will show you how to fix a corrupt zip file on Android in a simple way. If your zip file is not opening on your phone, the first thing you should try is using a better file extractor. The default file manager on Android often fails with damaged files. Install apps like ZArchiver or RAR from the Google Play Store. Open the app, find your zip file, and try extracting it again. Even if it shows an error, still try options like Extract Here or Extractor Folder, because sometimes part of the data can still be recovered. If that does not work, the next option is using an online zip repair tool. You can search for zip repair websites like Office Recovery for Zip. Upload your file, wait for the process to complete, and then download the repaired version back to your phone. This works well for small or non-sensitive files. Another very important step is to re-download the file. Many zip files get corrupted during download. Delete the current file, clear your browser cache, and download it again using a stable Wi-Fi connection. These methods should help you recover most corrupt zip files on Android, or at least save part of your data. Thanks for watching.